Carried out within the week of half-term, Ryedene Primary School in Essex is now benefiting from a solar panel energy system installed by Tanjent. We were on site as soon as the children had left for half-term, supervising the installation of scaffold, a skid and a hoist to assist with the installation. Our team stripped 1,100 tiles from the roof and replaced these with a GSE integrated mounting system. We then installed 56 425-watt Trina solar panels. We installed a Harway 20kW three-phase inverter to process the power from the panels and feed this into the school's electrical system, providing the children with green energy and the school with a massive saving on their electricity bill.